Sorry, this is late getting to you, but this is worksheet number 7 for academic decathlon in mathematics. This is very relevant to what we're learning right now, is functions. This is function notation, and this says g of 0. So we have substituted 0 in for x, so we will substitute 0 into all of the x's. So g of 0 equals negative 3 times the square root of 0 plus 5 times 0 squared. We can take the square root of 0 is 0, so negative 3 times 0 plus 5. 0 squared is 0. So we have 0 plus 0, because we do multiplication before addition. And so g of 0 equals 0. That's a horrible. G of 0 equals 0. G of 1, so we substitute 1 in for x this time. We get square root of 1 is 1. 1 squared is 1. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. 5 times 1 is 5. And negative 3 plus 5 is 2. So g of 1 equals 2. Negative 3 times the square root of 4 plus 5 times 4 squared. Negative 3 times 2 plus 5 times 16. Negative 6 plus 80. Negative 6 plus 80 is 74. So g of 4 equals 74. Negative 3 times the square root of 9 plus 5 times 9 squared. Negative 3 times 3 plus 5 times 81. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9 plus 405, which gives us 396. G of 16, negative 3 times the square root of 16 plus 5 times 16 squared. Negative 3 times 4 plus 5 times, that's got to be, what is it, 196. I'm going to say 196. Let's check it out. 16 squared equals 256. Not even close. 256. Hiya. 256, which is 30, which is 28, which is 12. Minus 12. Let's see if that's correct. 256 times 5. 1280. Yes. Made up for it. 1, 2, 6, 8 equals g of 16. Are we going to go to 25? No. Good. All right. Now, this is an output. So this value is an output, and it wants to know what is the output when the input is negative 3. So it's still a little bit similar, but we're inputting. It tells you what you're inputting. What does it tell us there? No, it did say the same thing. So this is my input, and it's amongst this output. So we're just substituting it in again. This is quantity negative 3 cubed minus 12, which equals negative 27 minus 12, which equals negative 39. So f of negative 3 equals negative 39. We're going to plug in negative 2 cubed minus 12 gives us negative 8 minus 12 is negative 20. So f of negative 2 equals negative 20. 2 cubed minus 12 is 8 minus 12, which is negative 4. So f of 2, positive 2, is negative 4. f of 3, 3 cubed minus 12, that's 27 minus 12, which gives us 15. 15. F of 3 is 15. What? Okay. And now here it is. So this is my output. So I'm substituting this in for f of x. So 52 equals x cubed minus 12. Let's add 12 to both sides. We get 64 equals x cubed. Let's take the cube root of both sides of 64 and x cubed. And that is going to give me, can't make it negative, so it's not plus or minus, because minuses would never give you. So, cube root, sorry. Got to make this a cube root. Cube root. If I don't write that, then it's squared. And what's that, 4 equals x? Yeah, that's my solution. That's it. 0, 2, 74. I don't remember 74, but 64, 68. 64, 68. Yeah, I don't remember that number. What was 64, 68? Number 5, g of 16. Number 5, g of 16. That is the square root. That's squaring. 16 squared times 5. Equals 4, yeah. And I think I'm right. I think they're wrong. Doesn't surprise me with this. Yep, that's good. X equals 4. We good? All right, I think this is wrong. 3,974. 374. All right, everything else looks correct. All right. Hopefully you like that one. It's nice and quick.